Here we have question 3 raised to the power 3x minus 3 raised to the power 2x, which is equal to 3 raised to the power x. So we have to solve this equation for x. So 3 raised to the power 3x minus 3 raised to the power 2x, which is equal to 3 raised to the power x. So we can write it as 3 raised to the power 2x plus x minus 3 raised to the power x plus x, which is equal to 3 raised to the power x. So from here we can write it as 2 raised to the power 2x into 3 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x into 3 raised to the power x, which is equal to minus, we will take this value from the opposite side of equal sign, so it will become minus 3 raised to the power x, which is equal to 0. So from this equation we have common 3 raised to the power x, so it will become 3 raised to the power 2x minus 3 raised to the power x minus 1, which is equal to 0. From here we have 3 raised to the power x is equal to 0 and 3 raised to the power 2x minus 3 raised to the power x minus 1, which is equal to 0. So taking log on both sides from this for this equation, log of 3x, which is equal to log of 0. So log of 0 is undefined. Now we will solve this equation. So it can be written as 3 raised to the power x 2, because a raised to the power m n is equal to a raised to the power mn, which is equal to a raised to the power n m. So it can be written as 3 raised to the power x2 minus 3 raised to the power x minus 1, which is equal to 0. So from this equation, let u is equal to 3 raised to the power x. So this equation will become u square minus u minus 1, which is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation, so we will apply here quadratic formula. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is also equal to minus 1, and quadratic formula is u is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. U is equal to minus b is minus 1 plus minus square root of b square means minus 1 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 1 divided by 2, a is 1. So it will become minus minus is plus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square means 1, minus minus is plus 4 1 time 4 divided by 2. So u is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. But u is equal to 3 raised to the power x. So we will put here 3 raised to the power x is equal to 1 into 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So we can write it 3 raised to the power x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and 3 raised to the power x is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we will take log on both sides. before taking the log, we will solve this equation. This form is less than 0 because it is negative and it is positive. So this side will be rejected. Now we will solve this equation taking log on both sides. Log of 3x, 3 raised to the power x, which is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. As log of m n is equal to n log of m, so it can be written as x log of 3, which is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Dividing both sides by log 3, log 3 and log 3 will be cancelled out. So x is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 divided by log of 3, as log of a divided by b is equal to log of a minus log of b. So it will become log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus log of 2 divided by log of 3. So x is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 is equal to 3.236 minus log of 2 is equal to 0.301 divided by log of 3 is 0.4771. So x is equal to log of 3.236 will be equal to 0.51 minus 0.301 divided by 0.4771. So x will be equal to 0.209 divided by 0.4771. So divide them. X is equal to 0.438. To check the value of x, to check this equation, and x is equal to 0.438. Now put this value in this equation, so it will become 3 raised to the power 3 into 0.438 minus 3 raised to the power 2 into 0.438, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 0.438. So 3 raised to the power 3 multiplied by this value, it will become 1.314 minus 3 raised to the power this will be equal to 0.876, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 0.438. So it will become 3 raised to the power 1.314 is equal to 4.2358 minus 3 raised to the power this will be equal to 2.6179, which is equal to 1.618. So this minus this will be equal to 1.6179, which is equal to 1.618. It is approximately equal. If we round off this value up to 3 decimal places, so it will become 1.618, which is equal to 1.618. So the value of x will satisfy this equation. Thank you so much. Thank you, friends.